Hi, my name is Liz and I am the curator at the Frontenac County Schools Museum. I just want to thank the Community Foundation for Kingston and area for supporting the museum with the Spring Project Grant. This grant is going to allow us to buy a new DSLR camera, new scanner, and new photography lights to digitize our collection and make it accessible to the public. We've been working on an inventory project for a long time now, so we are really excited to get some new and improved images that we can share with the public. We are also doing more activities online than ever before. We have a brand new website, and we are also making YouTube videos for people to enjoy. So having new equipment will really allow us to step up and bring some new and improved content to you all. And for those who don't know, the Schools Museum tells the story of early education in Kingston schools and the surrounding area. It's a one-of-a-kind collection, and we have a lot that we are excited to share with the public. And this new equipment is going to make it that much easier and that much more efficient. So thank you again to the Community Foundation, and we are just so excited for this grant money.